Hello, welcome to EZ Eatery. My name is Angela, and today we're going to make a Big Mac at home in our very own kitchen. Why, you might ask, when there's like literally a McDonald's on every corner? Because I'm too darn lazy, and it is really cold outside, and I don't like being cold. So I am having like a major Mac attack, and I wanted to have one, so we're just gonna go throw one together. It doesn't take very much time. So welcome in. Let's go get busy. Let's start with the secret sauce. So it's a half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish, 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard. I added a little bit more just because I like it. A half a teaspoon of paprika, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, and we need to mince up a little bit of an onion. You need 1 tablespoon with the juices. I accidentally cut out the part, but you do add in a half a teaspoon of white vinegar. So, and that's totally optional. You don't really need it, but I think it makes the world of difference. Then you're just going to go ahead and mix it all together. And don't worry, I will have everything listed in the description box below. Just hit the more button. Now let's cook up our hamburger patties. I'm just using some ground chuck. Going to season it pretty heavily with some pepper and also some salt. So I should be using my griddle. However, I let my daughter borrow it, and yeah, I don't have it anymore. So anyway, we're gonna cram everything into this little frying pan. And I know they're not the perfect little circles that you get from McDonald's, but that is all right. It still tastes the same. So make sure you press it down to make them kind of flat. And then after about 4 minutes, we're gonna flip them over and salt and pepper them again. I add a lot more pepper than I do salt. So anyway, to me, McDonald's tastes a little bit peppery. All right, then we're going to butter up some buns. So we're going to use 2 bottom buns and 1 top bun. Make sure you get the sesame seeds because we want this to be as authentic as possible, right? All right, let's go put it together. I should have mentioned that I did cook the other side of the burger for about 4 minutes. All right, so on our bottom layer, we're going to add some about 2 tablespoons of our secret sauce, and then we're going to follow that with some lettuce, followed by some onions that are just chopped up, and then we're going to add some cheese. They use American cheese. I didn't have any, so I just used some regular old cheddar cheese, our hamburger patty, our second bottom bun, some more lettuce, a little bit more onion, and then I put pickles on there. Normally I would pick the pickles out, but I don't know. I wanted it to look authentic. So then we'll add another little burger patty, and we're going to add some more of that secret sauce onto the top bun. And then that's it. We're going to put that cap on there, and we're going to scrunch it down because, I mean, how are you going to put that in your mouth? It's so big. All right, scrunch, 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 scrunch. And I just made it some French fries in the air fryer. So got to give that a try real quick. Let me give you a closer look. All right, you guys ready for a bite? We did it! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let me try to take a bite here. It's so good. It's so good, you guys. It is like almost spot on. I think ours is a little bit better, I'm not gonna lie. But amazing. That sauce, you guys, is so good. I'm telling you, gonna have to give this a try. I'm gonna go pick out. So, hey, if you're new to my channel, coming up with all kinds of easy recipes all the time. Usually using kitchen gadgets and whatnot. But anyway, we did this one. It was easy. Took us like, what, 10 minutes total for everything. And yeah, that's the way I like to be in the kitchen. And it's good. It's really good. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And please give the video a thumbs up. That would certainly make me happy, warm my heart. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye now.